Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create a poetry instantaneously and for free and how to do that. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So the first step you need to do is install this Cici AI, and you can install it mobile from the iOS or the Android phone. And after that, don't forget to do the login first with your email, and you can simply open it. And usually they give you the greeting or opening like this.
Hey, nice to meet you. I'm Cici, your humorous, friendly, and helpful friend. You can ask me for answers, recommendations, advice, and anything on your mind.
And after that, since we would like to create a poetry, then I will go to this menu to stripe up there, and I will go to the discover. Well, I will go to the chatbot to help me create the poetry. And for example, I will choose this searching section. I will type poetry, and there you go. There are a lot of chatbot that will help you to create the poetry here, and even in another languages. And since we would like to create the poetry, for example, I will choose this prose poetry writer here. I will click it. Help me, and I will type the prompt or chat like this. Help me to create a poem or poetry about the beach and the child who is seeing a whale, and enter it. And after that it will show you the result like this, but unfortunately this chatbot will not able to read this poetry by the voice for you. But if you would like to post it and share this, then you can simply click this button, and if you would like to copy it and post it, then you can copy this button. And if you would like to rewind, then you can just click this, and there you go. This is the result after you refine it. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this Cici AI, and I hope this AI and also video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.